Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Sonic, or previously Phantom, as some of you or most of you probably know it as. Wanted to do a video today because we actually got the Binance listing. So wanted to talk about that. Just in general, wanted to do an analysis. This is the chart we have right now. It's a very young chart because obviously the whole token was swapped, right? So unfortunately, we then lose the previous price action. I still know here and there where some important price levels were, but we kind of have to trade based on the market circumstances and based on the fundamentals as well. So what happened today, and that's also why we dropped down a bit. I think the markets actually pumped yesterday for two reasons. For Sonic, at least, that's what we're talking about, of course. Is for two reasons. First of all, we got some positive economic data with the inflation rate and the CPI data coming out lower than expected and as expected. So that's good. That's different than the other data we had over the course of this year so far. So that was unexpected and therefore bullish. And I think in general the fundamentals right now in the market actually look quite good. But then outside of that, I mean, we also saw fundamentally some positive developments for Sonic, and that's still going on. I mean, the TVL right now is growing quite a bit. The TVL, like right now, it's at $154 million. About a week ago, it was at 70. So that's a doubling in a week, and it's still growing, right? So fundamentally, there also seems to be a little bit of hype around previously Phantom and now the Sonic network. And I also do think that with this Binance listing, the real trading is going to start again. As you can see right now, volume has also gone up a lot. It's up to $77 million. That is because it's being enabled again on all exchanges, and slowly but surely the perpetual futures are also going to be started up again. So slowly but surely, Sonic will see some real activity and some real volume again, and that is when the buyers and sellers will look for some sort of a fair price. So then it's up to us to decide whether 78 cents, which is the price we're at right now, is a fair price. I would say it is slightly undervalued. With the way fundamentally that Sonic is progressing right now at a market cap of $2.25 billion, fully diluted valuation of 2.5, by the way, so there's almost no token inflation. I would say it's more, and then I also do think that the markets, even though the last 12-hour time frame candle is slightly bearish, I think the markets can also still see somewhat of a move up, at least for altcoins. Not too much, but at least on the short term. So I would say it's most likely that, yes, we'll have some sort of a sell the news effect after the Binance listing. I know I know that sounds weird, but sometimes it's how it works. But as long as we're holding this level around 75 cents, which I think we will, I do think we're going up higher into that level right here, between 90 cents and 95 cents. I think $1 is going to be quite high, and I think 95 cents is even a bit of a... No, that's possible. That's possible, to be fair. But that's what I expect. And then I expect that level to be very strong as a resistance level. And I don't, even though I think short term we can actually see more bullish momentum in the markets, I don't think it will be enough for Sonic to push through 90 and 95 cents. And this move is very reliant on still getting some sort of a move up in the markets, right? So that is something to keep an eye on. And if we have not seen that in the next, let's say 36 hours, so basically this week, Thursday or Friday, I'll change my mind. I'll just be honest about that, because I do need to see a move like this soon, especially now with all the volume and all the traders coming back into the price, because we basically need some sort of a repricing of how much Sonic is actually worth. And I think it's worth more than this, but if the market disagrees, we have to change our opinion. But that's what I expect for now. That's what I think. Short term, I do think we can actually drop down into 75, 78 cents, so be prepared for that. But for now, I think we'll bounce. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.